So we've got some mackerel, lovely fresh mackerel today, which I'm going to fry with some salt, pepper, sesame oil. So easy. Serving that on a bed of white cabbage, which I've fried with garlic and ginger. Really easy. Lovely, oily, beautiful fish. I love mackerel. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great Food. Let's get moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 6 nice looking, fresh, beautiful mackerel, nice oily fish, beautiful stuff. You just saw me, I just scored it down gently, not to the bone, just in a little bit, just to open them out slightly. What we're going to do now, black pepper. Let's get a load of black pepper on there. Salt. And then here I've got some beautiful nutty sesame oil. We're going to get plenty of that on there. Really beautiful nutty flavour that is. Okay, simply what I'm going to do now is I'm going to grab it, mix it around, get it on both sides, then we're off to the cooker. Delicious. Okay, so you're going to need a frying pan or a skillet or something like that. Now I've just put in there a little bit of neutral oil, like a sunflower oil. Now if you wanted, you could put some more of the sesame. Here we go. We're going to drop these in. We're on an above medium heat, and we're going to cook these for this size, that is, for about maybe 4 minutes aside. Absolutely wonderful. Now don't turn them too much. Let them do their thing, then turn it. You don't have to keep flipping it. They'll break, the skin will come off and everything like that. But yeah, beautiful stuff, very easy. So we've got some beautifully cooked fish there. What we're going to do is take them out, set them aside, keep that oil. So the heat is on high now. Now we've got some lovely fishy, beautiful oil there. Don't waste that, that's really got goodness in it. We're going to drop in now a tablespoon of garlic and ginger, which I've cut nice and thin. We're going to add 1 onion, which I've sliced. I'm using a red onion. A little bit more black pepper, a little bit more salt, and then I've got white cabbage, in that goes, shredded. 4 minutes, keep it moving, high heat, fantastic stuff. Okay, now I like my cabbage just like this. There's still a nice crunch on that. Off goes the heat, we're done. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pop that on the plate. The fish goes on top. Mwah. If you wanted, think about putting some chili in here or some cilantro, coriander, something like that. I'm keeping it nice and clean and beautiful. Okay, the cabbage is plated. We're going to grab our beautiful fried mackerel. Nice, fatty, delightful fish. Let me push that down there so I can get this last one on. And that's it, beautiful stuff. And that's it, job done. Just gonna serve that with a little bit of lemon, some little lemon wedges there that I can squeeze on. Delightful stuff, hope you enjoy that. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. We're currently steaming ahead to actually reaching nearly 100 million views, which is fantastic. I think we've got over 3,000 uploads now. We've really been going at it since I think 2012 we started back in the day. But yeah, thanks so much for watching our videos. Please do give us a thumbs up. It really does help us out a great deal, and also leave a comment. We do like to hear from you. Now, what we've been up to, so lots going on. We're now based in Bahrain. We're here for a little while in the kitchen here, which is fantastic. We're having a great time. Kids are really enjoying themselves. We are cooking away at a rapid rate, trying to do this new series called Eating with Locals, where I want to go and eat with different, people from different nationalities and eat their food and have a little chat, see if I can learn something. Hoping this COVID thing's gonna shift. Don't know when it's gonna happen, but maybe soon. If it does, I'm gonna get back on the road. I want to get back on an aeroplane, as I'm sure many of you do as well, and get out there and sort of, see the sights, taste some food and meet some people. It would be fantastic if you would buy us a cup of coffee. Help us along with the channel. We're not funded in any way, we're self-funded. We don't endorse any products. There's a link down below. If you would like to buy me a coffee, a couple of dollars or whatever you want, just follow the link. That would be fantastic. That's about it. We're doing great. We hope that you're doing fine, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.